Today we are making garlic mashed cauliflower. You've probably seen this in the grocery store in your frozen section, but today we are making a do-it-yourself version. This is a great recipe to introduce vegetables to your kids if they don't really like it that much.
We've actually been experimenting with this for a while now, and I think we've got it dialed in. So we're actually gonna cook this and we're gonna put it back in the Vitamix to give it that creamy texture, just like mashed potatoes, and maybe even trick the kids.
Let's get to it.
Well, here it is, guys, garlic mashed cauliflower.
We love this recipe. If you're looking to save a little bit of time, what you could do is buy a bag of rice cauliflower instead of throwing it into the food processor the first time around.
For this recipe and so many more, check out healthystepsnutrition.com.